student, and welcome to today's lesson. Letter F. The letter F says f, f, f. Look at the frog. Frog. Look at the fan. Fan. Look at the football. Football. The letter F. Usage of F in a word. The letter F can be in the middle of a word, like coffee. The letter F can be at the end of a word, like roof. STEAM activities. S. Talk about the frog. Where does a frog live and why? T. Listen to the letter F by watching a video. E. Use a glass bowl to make a fish home. A. Draw a football and color it. M. Count objects beginning with the sound F around you. Wonderful work, students. See you next time.